In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to change app icons on iPhone. Let's get started. First, launch your preferred browser. Now you can go ahead and search for the app icon that you want to change. I'm going to change for the app CapCut. Just type in CapCut icons, go to the images section, and you can download these to your camera roll. Or also you can search for CapCut aesthetic icons. With this, you're going to get tons of options. Download few of the option. Once you do that, close this. Now launch your Shortcuts app. Now click on this plus icon given at the top right. Select the option New Shortcut. Give it a name. I'm gonna give it as CapCut New. Now scroll down. You're gonna find different actions. Select Open App. Now click on the option App. With that, you're gonna find all of the apps that are installed in your device. Select the one for which you want to change the app icon. I'm gonna select CapCut. Now click on this eye icon. Now click on the option Add to Home Screen. Now set it to Image. Select the option Choose Photo. With that, your gallery will open up. Now go ahead and select the picture from your gallery that you have downloaded to set as app icon. After you select it, click on Add. With this, the app icon will be updated for the selected app. You can see that. So this way you can easily change app icon on iPhone. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.